ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ.
ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೈಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಇವಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ, ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಾನು ತಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸಾಕು.
Hello guys, good morning. Another day, another ride. Welcome back to my channel. So we are in Mysore now, and we started to Mysore yesterday evening. Yesterday night around 9 o'clock, and we came here and we were we stayed in this hotel called Sandesh Pride, and it's around what the time, 10 o'clock. We are leaving towards Muzhappilangad beach in Kannur, also known as the drive-in beach. I don't know how to pronounce that, Muzhappilangad, whatever it is. So we are heading there. We have Bobby, the UK man, and Girish's bike was punctured, so he's going to get it fixed. So we'll be staying in a place called Palm Shore Beach Resort in Muzhappilangad, whatever it is. I don't know what is the right pronunciation. So anyways, that place was around 312 kilometers from Bangalore, and we have already covered 140 kilometers yesterday. So Google says 184 kilometers, and then 4 hours 21 minutes. So we'll be taking the Virajpet route, Gonikappa, Virajpet, and then to Kannur. As I told, that's Bobby, and in the car there it's Vijay and Aarti, and Girish has gone to get it bikes fixed. We are going, the puncture fixed, so we are going there. So this place was on my list from a long time, for the reason that we can drive in that beach, bikes, cars we can drive, and it's a 4-kilometer stretch of beach there. So excited. Yeah, he's here. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದೇ ಪಂಚರಾ? ಒಂದೇನಾಗಿದ್ದು? ಏನದು? That's Girish's Ninja 1000, the new bike. I think Girish's friend Nanda will be joining us. Girish? Oh Girish, Nanda ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಾ? ಹಿನ್ಕಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನಾನು ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸರಿ, ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಯಾವ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆ ರೋಡೇನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಜಯ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿನ್ನ. ಇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ರೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. Even though we are riding inside the city, it feels so good, because of the greenery, the amount of greenery here. It's very peaceful, and lesser traffic, lesser people, and good wide roads. Feels awesome, man. I always love riding in Mysore.
ದೋಸ್ತ ಚಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಸರ್
ಒಂದು ದೋಸ್ತ ಏನು ಮುಟ್ಟಬಾರ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಬಾರ್ದು
ಇದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸು
ಇದು ಏನು ಗಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು
ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು
ಎಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದೆ
ಹೋಗಿ 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 ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋ
ಹಾಂ
ಹೋಗಿಂದ
ಹಾಂ
ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಏನು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಹಂಗೇನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೋ 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 That's fine, Bobby. That is fine, no worries. ಕಾಲ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ. I can hear it. It's okay. So we are around 72 kilometers from the beach resort. We are into this ghat section. So guys, whoever are coming towards the ghat section nowadays on bikes, please make sure you have your emission certificate, pollution under control certificate ready with you. That's the most important document that people will, the police will expect. Right, so they know insurance will be available for most of the vehicles, and RC obviously should be there. But one area where they can catch you is the pollution certificate. So make sure you have the pollution under control certificate, so that you are not harassed. Or you don't pay any fine. Okay, we had to take a left there near the bridge, but we missed it. Fortunately, we lost the GPS signal, then we just came straight ahead. Going back. Oh man, it is so hot here. This is called Irati Bridge. Okay, so we are around 11 kilometers from the resort, the homestay. And we have entered this small road. The road is good, but it's going through many villages. I hope it's right. I'm just following Google. Okay, we are around 2 kilometers from the homestay, and there's a railway crossing, and it is too hot, very very hot. I feel like ripping this jacket out and riding in my bare shirts. Tangit babe, rider nendo okoti neer hogta ide. It's damn hot, man, damn hot. Thank God the train is here. Driving beach. ಹಾಂ ಸಾಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. This is the beach. You see, that is the driving beach. I can see some cars already there. Let's take a quick peek. So we reached our destination. This is the homestay or Palm Shore Beach Resort. That's what they call it as. You see, this is the beach. Wow. Fantastic. Lovely, man. And what a spot, sunset, a resort there. And yeah, we'll just change, drop all the luggages in our room, and then this is where you come back. Huh?
ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಚ್
ತೆಗಿಯಪ್ಪ, ಸೆಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಚ್, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ಹಾಂ, ತಂದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ.
ಹಿಟ್ಟಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.